Running a restaurant can be a chaotic business. Keeping track of orders, communicating with the kitchen, and ensuring timely service can be a nightmare. With Connectezee POS, say goodbye to chaos. Our innovative software streamlines the ordering process, making it faster and more efficient. As a customer steps through the door, the magic begins. A waiter swiftly takes their order using our intuitive software, whether on a tablet or mobile device. Instantly, kitchen order tickets, or KOTS, are printed, and notifications seamlessly relay to the chef's display or mobile device. Chefs can see the order details and start cooking immediately. When the food is ready, a notification rings at the waiter's panel, alerting them to pick up the order and serve the customer. At the cash counter, customers have the flexibility to settle their bills with ease, whether it's by cash, loyalty points. They can also check their due balance and view their order history. Connectezee POS is the perfect solution for any restaurant that wants to take its business to the next level. With its innovative features and user-friendly design, Connectezee POS is the future of restaurant technology where every moment is a delight. Take your restaurant to new heights today.